Okay, so I've watched a bunch of tutorials on how to convert camcorders to IR. Um, and I got my camcorder out and I began to open it up, and I know models vary, but this one looks different, and I'm kind of stuck at this point on what I need to do. And so I'm hoping someone out there will see this and help me do this conversion. So please respond. I'd appreciate it. That's what it looks like from this angle. I think that this right here might be what I need to do, but I'm not certain, and obviously I don't want to break a piece of my equipment. So let me know. Thank you.